Alright, everyone's up. He's changing. Are you ready for today? Ready to spend money?
I ain't spent money today.
Time to get the day started. That's right, Jordan. Just got to the brunch area. We're at Beverly Hills now, so we're just shopping strip and we're just gonna walk around. See if I... Everyone's vlogging. Look at the street. We just go on.
So we go to the one that's further.
Update, we just went to the wrong location. It's in Melrose. So we gotta drive 15 minutes to the other location real quick. We went to the wrong one. We got to the right place now. Even picking some bougie place where it's all broke.
They're staying in this area. What is it? It's Acme. But it's like, the Acme is like...
Where are you sitting on? Y'all should have seen him order his drink earlier. That was the most ugliest thing I've ever heard.
Price, of course.
Yeah. I was thinking a smoothie bowl, but it's kind of cool right now.
All broke.
Sarah!
Alright guys, we got the banana bread. $10 banana bread with some kind of honey butter.
You know what the jalapeno too?
Good. Good? That's a
Good.
jalapeno.
Good amount of flavor.
They got their food.
Are you also with them?
You always got the one?
I also got it.
Got one too.
I like the fries.
Oh, she got it.
Good.
Yo, look at this pizza. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
What's glistening?
That was very oily.
And she got...
Breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, it's a little greasy, but we're in LA. We got salmon pizza. Salmon pizza.
Just wait until everybody has their own.
Look at Peter's pizza. Oh my gosh. Yo.
Wait for all of it?
Look at that pizza.
Or a little, maybe a half. Okay.
Good truffle pizza.
Whenever you're ready.
Good. Alright.
I'm looking.
Everyone's got their food?
Okay. It's because this isn't, you know, it's not as
Okay, guys. Pizza. How's it, Peter? Good. You want to try some? A little bit. How's your sandwich?
good.
Give them a review.
It has cheesy hash brown inside,
Ooh, quality.
and then a runny egg.
Huh? Like it? I'm feeling fancy.
Sarah approves. Us. A little fancy with a salmon pizza. Crunch. Looks like a bagel. Alright, slice of Peter's pizza.
I like the dill on it.
Everyone's enjoying their food.
It's like a, yeah. I feel like tomatoes they use it right.
Everyone's enjoying their food.
Tomatoes they use.
Just got done eating some overpriced food. It was good, but it didn't wow me. Walking around Beverly Hills and figuring out what we want to do. Got a long day ahead.
It's because it's a black wall.
Hanwook. Hold on there. We made it.
It is a view. This is where you drive up the motorcycle in the jewelry store Heisen G.
here it is. Rodeo Drive on a bougie store. Look at that behind us. Made it now. Alright, the Chanel store. Rodeo Drive. Alright, now we're going to Erewhon grocery store because we need some refreshment and need water. Wow, now we're like fancy Whole Foods. Getting a refresher. I'm gonna go for that. Needs a refresher, but we gotta pay so it's hot. So we're just waiting. We're gonna go to Hollywood next. Here's some right here. Kelly.
That's $28.
For the Erewhon.
You didn't ask?
We made it to Hollywood.
We're in Hollywood.
We're in Hollywood, the Chinese Theater.
Hot Rock Cafe.
BTS Lawn Store and the Chinese theaters right there. Oh, here we are.
I think you found it. Ready?
Look, Sarah. And Miniso. Why do I play BTS? Awesome, man. Found it, the last one. Alright. Henry comes, or me, if everyone's getting their stuff. Alright, we're tired. About to get out. Go a little Tokyo. Yo, Brandon. We're at Supreme. Let's see if we buy anything in there. This one's huge. We're at Supreme. Alright, in front of Supreme. And there's a picture of the P. And there's Namjoon. Namjoon. Let's go in. Oh, where's the Supreme? Store's bigger than the other one. Yo, we got Dover's Pizza. Dover's Pizza. We made it. Yo, we got David's Dover's Pizza. I got the hot honey and the vodka. What you get, Peter? I got the Hawaiian. I don't care what you say about pineapple. It's good. All right, let's go with the hot honey first. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Oh, the crunch. That's actually better than I thought. Actually, I'm hungry. Go for yours. Yeah, I'll go for it. Hawaii. Oh shit. Oh, that was sweet, spicy, and crispy. Look at this right here. Are you kidding me? It's the vodka. The spicy honey. That thing's dripping. And for me, that's a good pizza, but that's spicy vodka.
Sweet, spicy, a little tangy. 6 out of 10.
Peter, you need to try that one.
Right.
That was insane.
Hold on.
Hold on. That's spicy vodka or something else. We made it to Little Tokyo.
Oh my god. I love it. I love anime.
Alright, let's go see what he has tonight. Ooh. We're in Little Tokyo. Wow. doing a photo booth right now. We just spent $20 on that photo booth. Oh my gosh. Little Tokyo. Time to get some tiger sugar boba. Brandon. My tiger sugar. Tiger sugar. Or do you want to do tacos? Oh, look at that. I'm not sure which one to get. They all look good. Thinking about the Lazy Dragon or the lap chong. Then the chow mein sounds good too. Street food. Yo, we got the noodles from the street vendor. Oh, $8 for this whole thing.
That's for water, isn't it?
Give me one too. Can be for $8. Look at that. Woo! For $8. Good. Got this one with his. Brandon's on a food review. Yo, look at these right here. Shopping after eating. That was a good. Little Tokyo, so cool at night. Little Tokyo. Regional Antelope. The vlog never stops. The vlog never stops. We're just at Aunt and Lily's place, and Larry, that's the skyline of Los Angeles. Everyone's in here, they're inside. You see the right below us, but they're inside. Oh, no. Me and your friend. Y'all slump. Y'all slump. Going to the beach, guys. Imagine the beach.
Gloomy. It's very cloudy.
It's very gloomy. It's cold. It's chilly. But we're gonna make the most of the day. Yeah. It is what it is. Sun's coming out later, but we're going shopping and everything. Sarah.
Ready for the beach. Let's go to the beach.
Let's go. Let's go.
Do it.
At the Hawaiian. Weather's a little bummy, but let's go get some good food. We're in the Hawaiian. OC. We're in OC.
Can we get the band, please?
You're not? You didn't?
I'm recording.
Yes.
Hawaiian food.
Yes.
Family foodie.
Why are you standing, Lynn?
Last shit in life is real.
Get a little chip. Yo, whoever's back there in that cloak, they never made it pretty good.
You made it. Here we get some omomo boba. Some good Hawaiian food.
Omomo. I get too much of tea. Omomo.
Ooh, Sarah, we're getting boba.
Too much of tea.
We're at omomo. We're opening up, we're about to get in line. Yo. Omomo. Oh, let's go. We bring the business. We bring it. We bring it, man. No round of Omomo.
So, we're back.
No,
I'm down. I really want to. Yeah, I want to pour UCLA. All right, Jordan, let's see.
Hey.
Forever 20. Why did you so slay?
Alright, are in here now? Here in Gentle Monster right now. I got mine on. They're right there. Uniqlo. Time to do some shopping. Just got some Chanel stuff. Chanel. Time to get back to the car.
I love California Beach.
We made it to Crescent Bay Beach again. It's a little chilly, but I want to check it out. No more shopping, spent too much money.
We made it.
We're living a fake life.
California.
We made it. Half the crew's here.
Back here, round 2.
Round 2. Oh. All right, he's about to eat it.
I'm not eating that.
Oh my god, he's mad. What's he doing? Alright, we're leaving. Goodbye. And what? Oh my god, we made it to the source.
Hanwook.
Oh, Eric's happy. I am too.
Oh yeah, Eric's about to go crazy.
K-pop store. Oh, wait, sure. The K-pop store. Buena Pop. Delicate chicken. Ooh. What are we trying to do? Trying to get some
About to grub real quick.
Let's sample some chicken.
Best fried chicken.
You want to sample? We're about to sample.
The best fried chicken. Hey, this is the best.
So we made it to the source. And check out K-pop stuff, get some Korean barbecue in a bit, and just check out the place. The place is pretty cool. We're gonna meet out Stephanie and her sister and David in a bit.
Oh yeah, the photo booths are down there. Follow the pink sign.
Hey Stephanie.
I would never take it off.
What do you think about the source?
It's pretty cool. It's open. It's very open.
Oh yeah, let me get a win.
That's a decent size.
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it half?
I'm taking this flip. Yeah. Oh, 9 piece. I'm taking a drop actually.
I want a bite.
You pay for each bite.
Yeah. We all pay. Come on, man.
Hell no, I'm not paying.
What the fuck is this so hot?
Stop cussing my.
Pelakana, Korean fried chicken, special sauce. Let's go. Yo. That is crispy. Yo.
Good.
Sauces, bro.
Oh, we have selfie too?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's good.
They got the cheese powder flavor too. Last time they had the, what was it? They had something else on it.
Always.
I think we got something different last time.
How is it, Kelly?
So good. Wait, look at this cheese bowl. Oh, this is not
Dang.
How much was it?
I kind of want one now. How much was it? You want to share?
Yeah.
You got me. More food. In here, we in here. Let's do it.
Try some corn dog. Take a first bite.
Might be hot. Oh, how is it? Cream corn dogs. Totally the best.
No, he's good. Better than the one.
Good. Oh my god, we're all here. That's so cool. We're in this Korean photo booth. Oh, the rest of the guys just standing out here.
Nah, look at Tina. I'm actually like all hyped up and shit.
You gotta know where to pick and choose. Korean barbecue. Hey, April. That's nasty.
Oh, yeah. Mine wasn't even that bad. Mine was on here.
Everyone's acting different in this OC, whatever.
He got candy.
Okay, just leaving the source. Time to go get some Korean barbecue at Gangnam Station. Source is fun. Okay, finally get to Korean barbecue.
Hey!
We finally get to Korean barbecue. Let's go in. Yo, we're in here. It's Jenny Kim. Oh my god, I just met Jenny Kim. Okay, baby. Alright, we're at Korean barbecue with Davis, Kelly, everybody's here. Everyone's here. We got Emily. Yes, please. We're getting full. I can't eat no more. She's playing with food. She's playing with
It's not what's it called. It's so VIP.
Hell, where did that come from? Ready?
I have a mask on. No, you look excellent still.
Shut up.
Ready?
Man, I gotta edit this out. What's wrong with you? I gotta edit that part out. I know what you said.
Oh shit. 1, 2, 3.
That joke was like $17. Put some clothes on. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Packing up right now. We'll get head out soon. Kitchen. Just packing up. Putting trash away. Shipping the 2 boxes back.
I never vlogged the Airbnb.
I got you, brother. Ngon không?
It's very cold.
Cái thằng này nó ăn hoài à.
Hell no, you don't get
Đá. Damn, I can't be saying bullshit in Viet no more. Everyone understands. We made it. We're here at Lee's Sandwich right now.
I love my people.
How is Sarah?
I got a panda and waffle.
Good. Brandon's ordering this.
Is it good?
Classic Lee's Sandwich. She's getting my fucking show. Look at that. We're here at Lee's Sandwich. Getting sandwich and stuff. Me and Sabina here. And we're about to go get dim sum in a bit. It's the last day here, so let's make the most of it.
I ordered Vietnamese coffee and Vietnamese in B-Town.
B-Town. Alright guys, we're at Lee's Sandwich. have some bun theory here.
You think it's better than
We're gonna try it.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh, sorry. It's like fried dough. I feel like there's no need to cook food.
You made it. Oh my god!
Damn, we look like we're idiots.
Holy food. Yeah, everyone. Yo. Green good. Good eats.
Wait, all the stick dumplings have peanuts in them?
Yo. Oh my gosh. So good eats. Hi guys. We just finished eating.
How do you rate it?
What the hell is that? 7.5 to 8. We just ordered too much food. I got boogies.
How do you rate it?
Brendan.
How do you rate it?
Huh?
How do you rate it?
8. 8.5. Really just ordered too much. Hey, get her.
Rate it out of...
We left the handbook behind. She was still stuck in the restaurant.
That's a lot of water.
Alright, we're gonna fool the car real quick. So they never been there before. It's Brennan's first time? Yeah. Oh, let's see what we can buy some today. Maybe. Stussy here at Dover Street. We're at Dover Street Market with Brandon. Alright, back here. Let's get a little Tokyo for the last time before we go home. Trying to find some gifts and stuff. Anything we can find, we're gonna get food there. So me and Sarah are here on Monkey Pants, finding So the Angels. No other store has it, so she has 3 already. So I heard this place. I heard the store has some, so we're gonna go get some. And I see it in there anyway. Getting stuff for the plane, bakery. Buns.
This is where
Getting some drinks, some bev. Alright, got the peach tea for the Japanese store, got a steam bun from that bar, and we're gonna get some of we're gonna fly for corn dogs. It's the end of the trip, buddy. Got some corn dogs. Always end in a little Tokyo.
Eric got something to say.
Final packing before we go to the airport. Holy moly.
We have like 3 boxes to check out the other boxes.
Why did I bring 2 shoes?
What? Are they gonna see my I'm nervous. Everything?
Oh, gotta go home. Hey guys. Sarah got stuck. We made it through TSA as a whole group. A 3-hour wait till we head back to Charlotte. snacks. See, this thing was kind of nice. Play some card games. I'm home. After street. So tired. Alright. Time to go home. Wasn't bad. Kind of drifted off and on, but I hope that was fast for 45 minutes. Bad. We made up next day. I'm sure. What's the move?